Being polite in English opens every door. But do you know the right words? Today you will learn how to apologize and use polite phrases in English. These words will make people like you immediately. Let's go. Welcome back to Learn Languages. I'm your English teacher. Polite language is powerful. It shows respect. It builds friendships. In this lesson, you learn 10 essential polite phrases. Let's start. Section 1. Apologizing. There are many ways to say sorry in English. The most common is simply I'm sorry. Use this for small mistakes. I'm sorry I was late. For bigger mistakes, say I'm really sorry or I apologize. This sounds more formal. At work or with strangers, say I sincerely apologize. If you bump into someone, say excuse me or pardon me. These are quick, casual apologies for small accidents. When you don't hear someone, say sorry, could you repeat that? Or pardon, I didn't catch that. Practice with me. You step on someone's foot. What do you say? Say, oh, I'm so sorry. Perfect. Section 2. Asking politely. The magic word in English is please. Can I have a coffee, please? Please help me. Could you open the window, please? Could you is more polite than can you. Would you mind closing the door is even more polite. Use would you mind with formal or new people. Another polite phrase, is it okay if I sit here? Or simply, may I? For example, may I use your phone? Practice. Ask for a glass of water politely. Say, could I have a glass of water, please? Excellent. Section 3. Thanking and responding. Always say thank you. It is never too much. Thank you. Simple and powerful. Thank you very much. Stronger. Thanks a lot. Casual, friendly. I really appreciate it. Use this when someone helps you a lot. Now, how do you respond when someone thanks you? Say, you're welcome, the classic response. Or, no problem, casual and friendly. Or, don't mention it, very natural. Or, my pleasure, warm and polite. Practice. Someone says thank you, what do you say? Try no problem at all. Well done. Let's recap today's polite phrases. Apologizing, I'm sorry, I apologize, excuse me, pardon me. Asking politely, please, could you, would you mind, may I? Thanking, thank you very much, I appreciate it. Responding, you're welcome, no problem. My pleasure. These 10 phrases will change how people see you in English. Use one today, right now, in real life. Which phrase do you want to practice most? Write it in the comments below. If this lesson helped you, please like the video. Subscribe to Learn Languages for a new lesson every week.